arrived at Hallstatt. We've come from Vienna, so it took us about 3 hours. Now we're going to head down towards where the ferry will take us to the main city square. I'm pretty excited to go on the lake. I mean, you can see the views behind us. It looks amazing. We're now on our way to see the bottom of the waterfall. We came straight in and we were in the city centre, and we just want to go up to that point, check it out.
So we just put our baggage into the storage area, and now we're quite hungry, so we probably gonna head down somewhere to eat and yeah, try something typical from Hallstatt. We found a nice place called Umbrella Bar, and we're gonna have the specialty, which is the trout. So we received the trout. The special thing about it is that it's fished in the lake and is paired with some nice potatoes.
It smells so good.
It's amazing. And then Maya is having this lemon beer, which is typical drink Austrian people have in summer. It's lighter than the normal beer.
It's really refreshing.
We just finished eating in the restaurant, and we must say that the meal was really nice, quite light, but the fish felt really fresh.
Yeah, so fresh. But now we're on our way to visit a bakery called Maislinger, and this bakery has been around since 1932. So we're going to check out kind of what is the traditional food that they have there. I think I want to try some of the gingerbread.
And the most important thing is that it's a family business that they're running since what year?
1932.
Yeah.
So just walking along the edge of the lake, the views are breathtaking.
Yeah, it feels like you are constantly in a painting. It's really stunning.
So there's a lot of inspiration that's been taken from this place. So in fact they have filmed a few scenes from James Bond, Quantum of Solace, and supposedly this is kind of the inspiration that they took for the Disney film Frozen, and they used to come here, the producers, to get inspired before they started creating the films, and I can 100% see why.
So we managed to get the gingerbread from Maislinger, and now we're gonna try it. I think it's really nice. It looks really sexy. Let's see.
It's like an orange flavoured gingerbread and half of it's dipped in chocolate. Oh,
You have the first one.
I won't eat a whole one.
Probably we'll share it there. Oh, there is an orange.
There's like a glazed orange in the middle of it. Oh my god.
Sweet. Let me try.
Kind of soft and nice though.
Oh my god. So good. Probably, if we're gonna have some time later, we're gonna come back to buy some more.
And take some with us.
Yeah, amazing.
Splendid.
Yeah, but the speciality, of course, is gingerbread. Now we're heading towards the Funicular because we would like to see the view of Hallstatt from above. It's true that we had some desserts and we should probably walk, but we decided to get the Funicular because we are actually lazy.
But I mean, if you want to walk, if you want to trek up, it takes about 1 hour and then it takes about 45 minutes on the way down. But if you do want to get the Funicular, I believe it's 12 euros per person, single journey. So it is kind of worth a walk if you're trying to save money.
It's also important to mention that the Funicular runs every 15 minutes, so don't be scared to miss one because there is another one just straight after. And to go up, it takes 5 minutes. So yeah, I think it's worth it. We made it to the top.
So we've reached the top where Skywalk is. I'm actually a little bit nervous of heights, so I'm finding it difficult to walk near the edge, but it is 360 meters above the sea level and it has the most breathtaking view looking down at the lake and the town below it. So this tourist attraction is relatively new. It was actually only built in 2013, but it was built in order to show a lot of the tourists how it looks from above to reduce overpopulation. Because I think people don't realise how small the town actually is.
So, as we mentioned, there are a few ways to get downstairs. There are two ways to get down from the viewpoint. You can either get the Funicular all the way back again, or there is a small trek. I mean, it's not that small, it's basically half an hour going down with this like zigzaggy road in between like this forest. It looks really, really nice.
And it's very quiet, there's not many other people doing it.
Nobody's doing it, we are too cheap. Maybe we're gonna be able to fly the drone, maybe. So we obviously had food in a different place, but as soon as we got up on the hill, we realized that the restaurant there is really nice and probably better than our initial choice. So we would definitely recommend you guys to have lunch there with a nice view, and it also wasn't that busy
And not too expensive.
not too expensive either, so worth trying. So we were on our way down and we found this structure which looks like a tunnel, and also you can see these rails here, and to me it looks like a mine probably, where they were like going with such like small little trains whatever, and then taking back probably salt, because it's full of salt mines here. So yeah, nice little feature. So we're coming to the end of our day in Hallstatt. It's been amazing. It's just starting to rain now, so it's about time for us to get on our ferry to go back to the train station. One really important thing to know about the ferries is that they're aligned with all the trains, so you don't really need to worry to get to the train station too early or miss your train.
So conclusions on Hallstatt, for me it's one of the most fairy tale looking places that I've ever been to. If we had more time, for sure we'd visit the salt mine, take a boat out on the lake.
Nevertheless, we had so much fun. Please guys, like this video and subscribe to our channel. So we hope you enjoyed our vlog.
Until next time, bye!
Bye! About this. What is this? This video comes to an end. Please